Hey coders, welcome back to Code with AS, where we make coding simple and fun. In today's video, we're diving deep into Python's for loops, including topics like nested loops, range, break, continue, and more. We'll go step by step from basic concepts to more advanced use cases. Make sure you watch till the end and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. A for loop in Python allows you to execute a block of code for each item in a sequence, such as a list or a string. For example, if you have a list of fruits, the loop can go through each one and print it. To repeat something a specific number of times, you can use the range function, which can also take start, stop, and step values to control the count. Python makes it easy to loop through not just lists, but also tuples, strings, and dictionaries, allowing full access to their elements during iteration. You can even loop through both keys and values of a dictionary using items. Nested loops, or loops inside loops, are useful for working with 2D lists, matrices, combination patterns like printing a triangle of stars. Using nested for loops, which most commonly asked question in interviews, you can also control the flow of loops using break to exit early, continue to skip an iteration, and even use an else block that runs if the loop completes normally without hitting a break. Python's list comprehensions offer a powerful one-liner, the approach to create lists, and can even include conditions for filtering values. For added flexibility, you can use enumerate to get both index and value when looping through a sequence, and zip to loop through multiple lists at once. When dealing with nested structures like a matrix, a list of lists, nested for loops are ideal for printing each individual item row by row. Finally, here are some practice ideas to master for loops. Print multiplication tables, build star or number patterns, find all prime numbers under 100, flatten A to D list, loop through a dictionary of student grades. Let me know in the comments if you want a tutorial for any of these. That's it for today. Now you know how to use for loops like a pro in Python. If you learned something new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Code with AS for more beginner-friendly coding tutorials. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next video.